And here's the former sumo wrestler and present-day natural disaster, Earthquake, looking to shake things loose.
Oh, this is going to be good.
Enough of the preliminaries. Here we go.
But here's the thing. You have to perform if you want to bask in that WWE glory. He whiffed that one.
Look at this. He's going back to an old friend with that one.
You're right about that. You got to remember what works.
I don't know if we've seen that from him before. I mean, it's definitely a first tonight.
This is great. This guy will try anything. Oh my gosh, what a slam!
Huh? He did it. He really did it. That's a classic textbook maneuver.
Exactly the way it should be done.
He's displaying classic offense here.
Yeah, and that's when he's the most dangerous.
And testing Sir Isaac Newton's universal law of gravity with that move.
All this action outside the ring, real dangerous out here.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Quick thinking to avoid that.
Earthquake gets out of the way of that one.
I didn't know the big guy could move that fast.
Doing some serious damage with a side slam there.
Oh, those side slams hurt my side. I'm not sure I can watch this. Action outside.
King, once you get outside the ring, anything can happen.
Yeah, and it usually does. Over the years, I've seen more careers come to an abrupt end outside of the ring than I can remember. This area is so dangerous. Looking to get this action back on track inside the ring.
And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him. Did you hear the impact from that clothesline?
Devastating shot to the chest there.
Quit running your mouth and let them do this thing. There he goes, out of the ring. What a collision.
My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
And now it is show-off time.
Don't waste time gloating here.
He wants no part of the outside.
And I don't blame him. Nothing good ever happens outside the ring.
He's looking a little off balance. He doesn't want to absorb much more punch.
What an elbow drop.
Oh, man, there's the finisher. This could be it.
And the cover for the win. Watch out, Cole. Fasten your seatbelt. Earthquake's ready for
Trevor's. Oh, trying to put him away.
Oh, no!
The splash.
Oh, man, he's got to figure out a way to counterattack here.
Some damage has been dished out, but certainly not enough to assume this one's even close to being over.
And again, the mind games are played.
Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there. Look at this. Somehow he's still going.
Tonight may not be his night, guys. At this point, it's hard to say one of these guys is in better shape than the other. This entire match has been so evenly contested.
Jeez, this is not a very good spot for him to be in right now, John. He's got to find a way to insert his dominance back into this match.
And he just found out that's not the place you want to be.
Not ever, never.
He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now.
Here we go for the win.
Think they got him.
If he keeps up this pace, this could turn real ugly real fast. He was able to reverse that.
And right now, Earthquake is visibly bleeding.
Oh, man, folks. This may not last much longer. Earthquake's in trouble.
He saw that one coming.
I don't remember the last time he executed that maneuver. He'll be feeling the effects of that for a while. Great one-on-one action here tonight. It doesn't get much better than this.
I think he's through playing around.
I'll be shocked if that's not it.
Oh, man. How do you stand after an attack like this? He's looking at it. This guy's just getting worn out. Whoa, look out. He's trying to turn this around.
He's clawing his way back into this match. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here. He's setting up.
Watch this.
And now, looking to put him away.
That's it. He's done.
This is insane.
Can he score the pin? This is going to be big, one way or another.
No kidding.
Uh-oh. He's in position, ready to strike.
He takes the shoulder block. This one is over.
Ouch, that hurt my shoulder. Oh, wow. Well, this might be the worst yet.
And we see it one more time.
And this has got to be it.
It's it. It's over.
What a way to win a singles match.
Here's your winner, representing the Gladiators, the Barbarian.
Look near flawless down the stretch. Big win.
Wow, I can't believe the amount of punishment that had to be inflicted in order for those shoulders to stay down for a 3 count.
And the crowd here tonight still in awe over that great match.